In today's video, we're looking at how to make money on YouTube, and for this method, right, you don't have to be on camera, you don't have to speak yourself, and we're going to be using this with CPA marketing. And the great thing about all of this is it's absolutely free. And look, if you like the idea of making money on YouTube, you can go over to my website, click on YouTube. We've got lots more articles on here. The same goes for affiliate marketing, side hustles, and lots more. But let's dive into this video and I'll walk you through how this works, because by the end of the video, I think you're going to be, well, I think you will be surprised at how much you can make with this method. So we're using CPA marketing, and there's a number of websites you can use for this. You could use a website like this one over here, which is called CPA Grip. This is, one of hundreds of these. But today we're going to look at this one here, which is called Max Bounty, okay? Now, I'm inside of Max Bounty here, and I've just clicked on trending, okay? And we can see these things on the screen. These are all the current trending programs inside of here. Now you see this one here, look, get a pizza gift card. This here pays you $2.40 per lead, which basically means everybody who puts in their email or their name into, in fact, let me go into it, I'll show you. So we can see on here, come down here, look, $2.40 per lead. And how do you get paid? Well, you get paid that completed on form submit. So what does that mean? So let's have a look at this. We'll go over here to preview. In fact, let me click on here. Let's open this up in a new tab. And we can see, look, take our survey and get pizza for a year. And you can, this is, what's this? Papa John's, Domino's, Pizza Hut, and more. Straightforward and simple, okay? But look, this is just one example for you. So let me go back and we'll stay in the trending tab. So we can see on here, a gift card is obviously very popular. We've got, look, a card over here. What's this? $1,000 gas card. This is sweepstakes. We've got surveys. And look, this is just, this is the trending category over on Max Bounty. And we can see on here, look, a shopping spree. So if we go down this route of a gift card, a free gift card, because you can find hundreds in here. I mean, let's go ahead and search. Let's go to, where is it? There it is. I'm going to click on here. I'm going to type in, at the top here, I'm going to type in gift card, okay? And we can see here, look at all these. We have got loads of these with a gift card, okay? So we can see, look, get a pizza. This is how much you get paid per lead. And we can see all of the different ways you can drive traffic to this. And we're going to be using YouTube for this because it works awesome. And, it can generate you money for months and even years from now, which sounds ridiculous. But on this which channel, we're not taught at school, on this channel here, I've got videos I put out 3 years ago, which is still bringing me in a passive income. So we use YouTube. I mean, you can use Facebook and other platforms, but personally, I would go with evergreen traffic, and YouTube is perfect for that. So we can see on here, there's lots of gift cards, okay? Now, we need to validate this idea. So I've come over here onto YouTube, and you can see at the top here, I have just put get a free gift card. And at this moment in time, we can see here, let's let this load up a second, how many people are searching this, online every single month. There are, why is this not loading up? It's not loading up. Let me try doing this search again. So you can see this, because when I was doing a bit of research on this earlier, there's a lot of people who are actually searching every single month for different ways to get a gift card. I mean, look at this one here. This video was 3 months ago. It's had 19,000 views. That's one example. This one here, 5,000 views. Come further on the page, this one, and many more. Now, it's not showing me the search volume on here for some reason. So let me open this up in Google and I'll show you this. So get a free gift card. Okay, hit on go. And now we can see, look, 1,600 people a month are searching for get a free gift card. If I also scroll down the page here, we've got related ones. So look, free Amazon gift cards, 40,000 people a month. Free gift cards, 12,000. Free gift, what's this? Free gift card generator. You've got no chance. This one here, 720. Come further on the page, we've got lots more on here. So, there's a hell of a lot of people who are actively searching for how to get free gift cards. And as we've seen over here on Max Bounty, we can get as many gift cards as we want, and we can earn some pretty decent money. So let's just click on another one. So let's click on, what's this one here? $1.50 per lead. Look at this one here, Netflix gift card. $2.50 per lead. And we can see it's a Netflix giveaway. Let's scroll down here. Now look at this here. Where it says countries allowed, it's worthwhile noting this. where it says Germany, that doesn't mean you have to be in Germany. It means the traffic, i.e. the people clicking on that link, need to come from this country over here. And again, you can see here, this one is $2.50 per lead, and it's got no daily cap on this. So let's go back and we'll search this again. So basically, you can go ahead and have a look at this if you want. You can go via which one pays you the most money. You can also filter this via, different countries, or you can even filter this via, if you come down here, per lead and also revenue share and other bits. But if we come down here, we'll go with any one of these. So look at this one here, Deliveroo in Australia. This one up here, $2. And let's have a look at this one here, how much they pay you for this. Look again, no daily cap, $2.85 per lead. And this one here, you can win Deliveroo vouchers. So how do you do this? So basically, you can sign up with Max Bounty or, CPA Grip or any affiliate network, or CPA network. Then you come inside of here and you search for different, ones like any of these basically. Then inside of here, obviously, you get given a link. So let me go on to this one here. And we're going to scroll down here, and where it says build tracking link, we click on there, and we are going to click on social. And then we're going to come down and we'll just leave this on. Let's go to our link. And we'll scroll down here. In fact, let me just go up here. So you see this here, look, copy your tracking link. So this now is my tracking link, which basically means anyone I get to click on this link, I can earn down here $2.40 per lead. And as we saw earlier with the numbers, which people are searching for, whether it's on Google or whether it's on YouTube, there's a hell of a lot of people who are actively seeking out free gift cards, okay? So now we have got why we're going over to YouTube. Let me come out of this. Let me close this, okay? So now we know how this method works. Obviously, we need to start creating YouTube videos. And this is where, people would get completely put off by this because they think they've got to be on camera, use their own voice. You don't. You can use a free piece of software. So let me share with you the software that I use and recommend. It's absolutely free, and it's this one over here. Now look, you can go down the route of downloading, a free piece of software elsewhere. You can also go down the route of using Pexels, Pixabay, stock footage and these things, but why I use this one is it's free, it's simple, and it works really quickly. And you can see up here, this is literally what I've been playing around with. But all you do is you come on here, you click on text to video, because whatever text you put in here, this software will create a video for you. You use this here, which is 16:9, which is the perfect size for YouTube. And then basically, you see these here, these are all templates. So you can go into any one of these different templates. You just pick one, and then you can start putting your text in. So let me take you into this one. I'll show you really quickly how it looks, okay? So once you've put your text into here, this AI software will create a video for you. Now you can go on to, you can create your own article in here. You can also put in, go on Google and look at other articles. But this is it, look how it looks. So whatever text we put over here, it creates a video for us over here. And if you don't like any video, so for example, like this one over here, in fact, let me click on the advanced editor and I'll show you this a bit, it's a bit clearer. But inside of here, you can change the image, you can change the text, you can add in a video, you can put in music, you can use your own voice if you want, but you don't have to. You can use AI voice and lots more. So inside of here, this is how the video currently looks. And you can see this is our first slide. Now, if I drag this along, I'm just going to go to the end slide really quickly so you can see how this looks. And, you can change it and edit it if you don't like. So you can see on here, look, click the link below to enter this free giveaway for a year's worth of pizza. Now, this is known as a call to action. At the end of a video, you include a call to action, and basically we're directing people to the description box on YouTube to click that link, to go over to this here, and you can basically get paid $2.40 for everybody who puts in their name and email, okay? So you always want to be included a call to action. Now, in terms of the text and the layout, you can drag this around wherever you want on the page. You can change the font size of this, the color, you can make it bold, you can play around with it as much or as little as you like. Now, you see behind here, if you don't like that image or that video, for whatever reason, on the left-hand side here, you can go look at videos, you can look at images, or you can even upload your own, and basically just change this over here. So let me go to image really quickly. And we will just, what's this say? I'm just going to type in pizza, okay? I'll type in pizza and I'm going to hit on enter. And then all I'm going to do here is, this one I'll do, I'm going to take this and I'm going to put this onto here. So replace this over here. And now look, that looks a lot better than the image that was there before, okay? If I don't want this logo on here, I'm going to click on there. I'm going to get rid of from all scenes. And this is it done. Now, it's awesome. It works very quickly. And once you're happy with this, you just click on download and you take the video that you've downloaded here onto YouTube and you upload it. And in your description box, you obviously include your link from the product here, or whichever platform that you're working with. Now, in terms of this, in terms of creating a video, a script, finding products and other bits, if you want to learn how to do all of this completely for free, there will be a link down below. It will take you over to my free YouTube course. I'll share with you how to decide on a niche, find products to promote, how to create a thumbnail, how to use this software, and lots more. But overall, this method to make money on YouTube, it's not hard, as you've seen. It doesn't take a lot of time. You can earn, well, in this example here, unlimited amounts of money. And what I would do is, if I was going down this route personally, like this one here, this get a pizza gift card, I would literally create 20 or 30 videos for every single one of these campaigns that I found over on Max Bounty. And then once I've done this one, I would move on to the next one, and the next one, and the next one. And as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, we're not focusing on earning money from YouTube ads with this. We're focused on earning money from CPA marketing. And we know there's thousands of people searching for how to get a free gift card. So, we've got a pizza gift card, we've got Netflix, Amazon, there's hundreds of these. So look, overall, I think you'll agree it's a straightforward and a simple process. So I will leave a link to this software down below for you. I'll also leave a link to my free YouTube course, and I'll also leave a link over to this over here, because there's lots more ways you can make money on YouTube, whether you're going with CPA marketing, whether it's affiliate marketing, Amazon, and many more. But look, let me know what you think of this video. Have you got any comments about this? Any questions? Does it all make sense? And are you going to try this method? Or are you actually trying it yourself? So let me know down in the comments down below. But look, overall, I think you'll agree it's a pretty decent method. So thanks again, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.